Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Zendesk for customer support strategy, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for your Zendesk account. This usually looks like your subdomain.zendesk.com. Press the Enter key to access the Zendesk login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Once both fields are filled, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Zendesk dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After resetting your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your email address and the new password. Click Sign In again to access your account. If you're using multiple accounts, ensure you are in the correct subdomain. For added security, you may encounter two-factor authentication. Follow the prompts to verify your identity if required. Once you are logged in, explore the dashboard for various customer support options. Familiarize yourself with the interface to improve your efficiency. You are now ready to use Zendesk for your customer support strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.